Hey guys, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts. I'm back with another quick little video for another de-stash, and this time I'm de-stashing two huge grab bags of flowers. They're both, the same size. These, I believe, are the quart size Ziploc bags. In these bags are Wild Orchid Crafts. There is some Petaloo. There is some Prima right there. There's all kinds of things. There's a few little silk flowers in this one. They're mixed colors, but it's a good deal. There's some Michael's flowers in here that you get at, the Michael's store. This one has some fall colors in it, which are really pretty. But it's also got the pinks, the whites, the creams, the things everybody likes. It's even got some fabric snowflakes in it. This is bag A, this one. And this is bag B. This one has Michael's flowers. It's got Prima, more Michael's flowers there. Lots of Wild Orchid Craft flowers, as you can see. There's just generic flowers, all different colors. I did not, I just kind of made up two grab bags of things to de-stash. So if you want bag A, you will get this one. If you want bag B, you will get this one. And these are $10 each plus shipping. So you are getting a huge bargain here because Wild Orchid Craft and Prima are not cheap flowers, as you guys know, but I am determined to get my craft room organized. So $10 each plus shipping. Please reply with your PayPal. It is first come, first serve only. I only have two bags. So, yeah. I'm sure they'll go quickly, and there's a lot of good stuff in here, you guys, so I'm sure this would last, and you can rack it out if you don't want some of them. For $10, you can't really go wrong. So let me know if you want them. Reply with your PayPal, please, and $10 plus shipping. Thanks. Bye-bye.